everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's Bella here. In today's tutorial, I created this makeup look for you guys. So if you want to see how I achieved the look, then just keep on watching. And if you want to be entered in this month's giveaway, then make sure that you give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribed to our channel. Make sure that you hit that bell button, turn your post notifications on so you never ever miss a video. And if you live in the US, then go ahead and comment done down below. And jumping straight into the tutorial, the first thing that I did was I grabbed my Too Faced concealer and I used that as an eyeshadow primer. So I just applied it all over my eyelid and then went in with a damp beauty sponge to blend it out, and then I set everything in place with some translucent powder. And for today's tutorial, I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Jackie Aina palette, and this is what it looks like on the inside. I've used it a few times and I really love it. The first shade that I went in with is the shade Supreme, which is this pinky shade. And I grabbed a big fluffy brush and I just put that in my crease, going in back and forth motions. Next, I went into the shade Edges, which is this matte copper shade. And I grabbed a defined angled brush and I applied that above my actual crease, winging it out when I got to the outer corner. And this is just mapping out where I want to add depth in the crease. And then I went back into the shade Supreme just to really blend that line out to make sure that there are no harsh edges. And then next I went in with the shade Ginger. And I packed that all over my outer lid, fading it inwards. And then I decided that I wanted to add something a little bit sparkly to the lid, so I grabbed my Dose of Colors Friendcation palette from Desi X Katie, and I grabbed the shade Just a Kiss, and I packed that all over my lid. And I think what I like the most about this shade in particular is how much it reflects under the light. So especially when you wear it like on a night out, it almost looks like a glitter even though it's just a shadow. So I really have been loving that shade. And then I decided to add some glitter to my crease just to really dress up the look even more. I grabbed my Anastasia Beverly Hills glitter and my NYX glitter primer, and the glitter that I went in with is the shade Star Power. And I applied that glitter to my crease, stopping midway, and then I also applied it to the outer part where my wing is. I just did a straight line going up. And then for lashes, I went in with my Sophie Bella lashes. Those of you guys that don't know, Sophie Bella is our lash brand, so we will always leave a link in the description box down below for those of you guys that want to check out our lashes. The style that I used today is the style Bahama. And then I went into the shade Supreme once again, and I just put that all over my lower lashes just to make it kind of match with my crease. And then the last thing that I did was I applied some lower lash mascara. And this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!